Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to copy the link of your document that you have created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and select a template and create your document. After that, you should go to your home page. So tap on this home button that you can find at the top on the left side below the search bar. And after that, tap on this share button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the second button, copy link. You need to wait a few seconds till it loads, and in the middle of the screen, you will be able to see the link created. Tap on the copy button and then it will be copied to clipboard, so you are ready to share it with anyone and they can have access to your document via the link. Here you can set that anyone can edit the document that you share the link with, or only the people that you choose, and here you can set whether they can edit it or only view it. So tap on the relevant one and then click on the apply button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.